Where'd that guy go?
Huh?
Yahoo! Prof here. We got one more video for you.
One more? Too?
One more time.
Gosh, darn.
Have you seen? Do you remember the?
How much show and tell we got today, class?
A lot. You were out for a while, and I was out for a while. Do you remember? Have you used the LTT Precision?
What else you got in here? Like a severed head in there?
Yeah. That's my keyboard bag.
Right.
So,
just to double check. How many more videos we shoot?
This is it.
Oh, okay.
This is it. So have you seen their previous Precision set?
Holy no.
No, okay, you haven't. Okay. So this is the first impression. This is now their standard one. They also have a pro one that's one up from this.
Oh, look at that thing.
Yeah, they put a fidget spinner bearing in the. Can you tell?
Yes. Oh, look at that thing go.
So this is their standard edition. It's a little bit smaller than your standard iFixit. If you look at the size, here's my hand size, guys.
I want to drop this thing and eat it.
This has actually we have another kit here, don't we? That we can. Let's go steal it from these guys over here. So yes, even in the professional world, iFixit gets used. But in this wouldn't have been the kit that I bought, but this is the kit somebody bought. This standard kit, which is their small one now, has way more pieces.
What's this little guy used for?
Than this guy does.
Put the little thing in here?
Yeah. Push it in. So when you need more torque, you can have a bit of leverage and you get a T-handle.
That's all I'm going to use it for. Look at that motherfucker go.
Yeah, it adds some momentum when you spin it as well. Have you seen people spin T-handles like when fixing cars, like on big ones? Like you'll spin it just like that. You hold the top and you spin because you use the moment. Like once you break it loose, you use the momentum of the weight to. Yeah. Similar thing. But yeah, so that was added because, and that is only on this new standard set.
Mm-hmm.
Where they added the hole and that little bar. So you can do like basically if you have a real stuck screw, you put the little bar in and you'd hold it down like this with your, and then you would.
Twist it that way, huh? Damn.
So.
Snazzy.
But yeah, I thought I had shown you the old, which is now their Pro kit, which is that's like exactly the same as an iFixit. That's their magnet. So when you drop the screw and then you have to get the magnet out and you cry a little bit.
Can stick it to and spin.
Probably under the desk somewhere. Like.
Nope.
No, try this guy.
Nope. That? Oh, hey.
Or like the metal here. Isn't that available?
Oh yeah, there we go.
I don't think it'll spin the top. It'll just spin the bottom.
We've had more fun with the fidget spinner. Crying out loud. That's pretty snazzy.
But yeah, so this is the little kit. I feel like that's almost pocketable.
Yeah.
You know, I plan to make this one part of my like little EDC kit. You guys didn't see this. He's smuggling it out of there.
Definitely.
You
fit it right in your back pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just don't sit on it.
Sit on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like hell.
Oh, you didn't see the coolest thing? Okay. Pop it open, right? So iFixit can't do that, right? It's not hinged.
Yeah.
Hold one side, push the right side up.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Now you can take that.
What the F?
Yep. Now all of these squares, take a little bit. Just pick not the magnet one. Any
Come
other.
On.
It's magnetic.
Uh-huh.
All those little squares are.
So you put screws in there then too.
Yeah.
Snazzy.
So you got all the little.
How many thousands of dollars was this kit?
40. But oh sorry, forgot to include this. LTTstore.com sponsored. Thank the sponsors.
Thanks, sponsors. Thank you, sponsors.
If you guys want a kit like this, it will be linked down below in the description. I do get affiliate revenue from that. But I do. We both enjoy LTT's products. Yeah. So when I saw this one had the new screwdriver, I was like, "Hey, any way you could send that over?" Smile. And they're like, "Yeah, we ain't got a problem with that." And then it was here by the time I got back from Canada, but I was on the wrong side of Canada.
You're on the Canada side of Canada, is what you're saying.
What's the other side of Canada?
United States of Canada.
He likes the magnet. He keeps getting the magnet out.
I'm just gonna put the T-bar back on it, and I'm just gonna spin it. There we go. at that thing. Woo!
If you're wondering, with the end cap, you know how the iFixit was kind of spinny?
Yeah.
Linus made a point, though, of putting in a... Now you're seeing why he put the fidget bearing in there. Is because...
Because of me. ADHD brain, basically, spinning things.
So, I don't... The one downside for me is that iFixit has lifetime warranty on their bits.
Linus doesn't.
Yeah,
but bits
I do prefer, like, with this orange backed case, seeing the bits and, like, the labels, it's way easier.
LTT TR15, okay, nice.
Yeah. So I think it's way easier to see these bits than it is on the iFixit because of the orange backing.
Yeah.
And then also when you want to get them out, you pull them this way, and then they're easier to...
Yeah. Kind of rock them forward and backwards, yeah.
I swear you had seen the bigger kit before this.
Maybe, maybe not. You know, it's been a while. A lot happened in the last couple of weeks.
Yeah, that was the last item. But you're having so much fun with the
fidget spinner. Yeah.
Yep.
It's snazzy, man.
That's a slotted. Yeah.
SL4.
So I mean, it's got your 00, which is about as small as you need for a laptop.
P2.
You know, you use your normal 00 and your 1 for laptops usually. PH2 for a desktop, right? The sockets, I don't know how much you really need those personally, but those are pentalobe 2 and 5. That's really the only sizes you need. Then you got
tri-lobe guys right here.
Yep, for your Nintendia.
Yeah. What about
no, I mainly use pentalobe.
Pentalobe.
Yep, and then you got Torx all the way down to T3. I don't know that I've used anything smaller than a T5.
True.
T5 was an Apple all day, every day.
What are these guys in Allen's?
Allen's, yeah. You got a 2.2, 2.5, 3, and 4.
Each?
Hex.
Security guy?
Hex 4.
Hex, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But, yeah, like I said, I asked them specifically about this because they had that little bar they were showing off, and then I was like, "Oh, you made like an updated screwdriver and that, and I want to see that." And they sent the whole mini kit. And to be truthful, like this, like if you just want to keep one in your car or something, or keep like the other one was fine for like a backpack if you had a reason to keep it in another size, but
in the glove box so in case you needed a tool.
Yeah, and I feel like that's got enough to kind of get you out of most.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't have like the super fancy bits, you know. But we got some
number 5 for the day.
Oh geez, the fruit flies. From LTTstore.com, happy wedding marriage. That is now yours.
Linus, you shouldn't have.
It wasn't technically Linus, it was LTTstore.com.
Linus, TechTipStore.com. You shouldn't have.
So I didn't know this was coming. I already own a Pro Kit. Now you own a Pro Kit.
Pro Kit?
Yeah, this is the bigger one.
What do we do with all these screwdrivers?
Fix your shit.
Oh man, more stuff I gotta do. Be a good husband now. Oh, it's a big holy shnikes.
And it does not have. So it does not have the thing for the bar. That's what was new on the other. But pull it out. Like it's like their big one. You can store 3 bits inside of it.
It still spins.
Yep.
Well, I mean, immediately you gotta put the magnet guy in there. Come on.
I don't think the magnet guy fits.
Mother.
It's because this part's too wide up there. You really need one of the tapered bits.
Yep.
So you got like I was thinking you'd put like a Phillips 00, a Phillips 1, a Torx 2, 5, and a 6.
Phillips 2, is it gonna fit?
Yeah, you got to slide it in from the.
This guy right here. Huh?
Yeah, like that. There you go, and you can. So if there's common ones you'd carry around, you could put them in there.
T6 or a T5 probably.
Probably both of those. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. And you need a Phillips 1 because that's every laptop ever. The 2, I don't know that I'd use a 2 all that often, but for desktops, I guess, right?
You never know. You never know.
Screws is over here fixing 90s laptops that have full-size desktop screws in them.
How did you know? Don't judge. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? I can only get the 3? I think I can.
Yeah, you only get the 3, but then you just put one in the one in the chamber.
True. Oh, did I do that wrong? There we go. Oh, I got it. Wait, no, that guy's not going there. That guy. We're gonna put the number 2. There we go. Look at that guy. Holy moly. Well, thank you, Linus Tech Tip Store.
Yeah. I had no idea that one was coming because I only asked for the screwdriver of this guy. And I noticed there were 2 boxes in the shipping container or in the package, and turned out to be a Pro kit. So now I recalled you never even picked up an iFixit when we could get them dirt cheap at the squad.
Nobody got like a $6 one from Hobby Lobby.
Do we need to make a video of that one leaving?
Damn. Oh, the things I could fix. Only I was handy.
You have hands. I think
that is true. I do have hands. I don't know how to use them though, so there's that.
Damn. But yeah, this case is the same. Pops apart. You know, does all the fancy pants. Yep.
Hell yeah. Damn, that's snazzy.
So, because I didn't need 2 Pro kits, and you've seen how many, like I got how many iFixit kits around the place, and
it's true.
So, and I remembered you not even having.
I didn't even have that screwdriver, so now I have that screwdriver.
Yep.
I guard that thing with my life.
I told him that in the last video. I'm like, he tries to not make it known that it even exists.
Yeah. Hey, we have a screwdriver around here?
No.
Somewhere in the house. What's that? Don't worry about it.
You gotta get yourself a custom like leather sheath for the dang thing.
I think I might have threw it in that little toolbox we had too.
Oh yeah,
you had to open the purple one. Yeah, I'm like.
Yeah. Well, now you got something else to put in there.
That's true. Damn, man. The tools are growing. If only my repair skills would grow.
Okay, you have to get you a soldering iron so you can fix your keyboard.
Keychron, yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty snazzy.
A little dusty.
Oh, it's gonna be dusty and hairy from Eugene, probably. Yeah. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
To everyone involved.
Enjoy it.
You.
Hey, I try to pass it along if I can, because this one was unexpected. I didn't know it was coming, and I know, like I said, I knew you didn't have an iFixit because I was discussing. I'm like, dude, why don't you just get your iFixit and crack it on? And you're like, I just used Works.
Yeah, correct. Because if I bought it, then they'd be like, well, I guess that's ours now. I'm like, no, it's mine.
But yeah, my favorite thing about the LTT variant is the case. Like all the upgrades they did over the iFixit, the brighter colors, the way they staggered them is better. The cat protection. People are like, what do you mean cat protection? It magnetically closes. That is now.
Yeah, you're not gonna lose stuff.
Because cats will take their little paw and
yeah, or you put screws in there and you're like, all right, well, ain't falling out. Damn.
All right, well, enjoy it.
I will.
And once again, thanks to LTTstore.com.
Thank you.
There will be links down below in the description for both of these. Whether you want, I believe this guy's 40 and that guy's 60. It is a bit of a price premium over LTT, over iFixit.
Yeah.
But it has improvements.
Yeah.
And you're also supporting, well, I mean, I wouldn't call Linus, well, he is physically small, but the channel is not.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
I've met him in person, so.
Okay.
I'm not that tall, but, you know.
You're a bit taller than me.
Yeah.
A smidge taller than me. Interesting.
But yeah, so it's you are supporting like a creator versus a
mega conglomerate.
Yeah, I do agree with the supporting iFixit though. They do a lot of like right to repair, and they provide Pixel parts, Steam Deck parts, non-Apple parts.
True.
They make a bunch of these tools.
True.
Like they walked so LTT could jog.
Could run. Could fly, whatever you want to say. Yeah.
Oh, float plane.
Yeah. Sure, that'll work.
So, but yeah, when this guy came in and there was a second box in there, I'm like, well, yep, we know what that's going to.
Thank you.
So
appreciate it.
Enjoy it.
I will.
And yeah, put it to use too.
I'll try
let me know what you think. But they make a. Oh well, I'm getting a text, so we might need to.
I need to call it. I guess.
Maybe to call it we're a bit past.
It's a little late. Yeah.
But we have a lot of things to take a look at. And yeah, if you use those affiliates down below, we do get a little bit kickback in affiliate revenue. Also, if you guys watch and like and share, maybe we get more things that we can look at. And or he gets more things because
That's true. Because you get things. Just don't ask me for like comments on YouTube because I don't have a YouTube channel. So
he keeps telling me he doesn't have a YouTube account. I'm like, I'm pretty sure
that too.
you may or may not have my YouTube Premium. So how do you not have a YouTube account?
Well, I have a Google account. I just never actually set it up for YouTube.
So
yeah, anytime I try to put commenting on stuff, it tells me to set up my account.
You missed out on Google Plus, my friend. The good old days.
Good old days, yeah.
All right, guys. Hope you'll see you in the next one. Hit that subscribe and like, and more tech and tools and EDC. See you in the next one. Peace.